Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to build a PowerPoint template that Copilot can use. If you want Microsoft Copilot to create a presentation that match your brand, company style or preferred design, you will need to build a PowerPoint presentation or template that Copilot can use. A well-designed template helps ensure every AI generated presentation follows the same colors, fonts, layouts and branding. So first of all, you need to create a new PowerPoint presentation. So open your PowerPoint and start with a blank presentation. Now go to View. As you will be seeing in here, you will find revisions, assertions, etc. etc. Now, what you would need to go is for View, and let's go to Slide Masters. So for me here, I would rather go here. So suggest a concept, and I will start by selecting some background color that looks pretty good with our theme. So there are many backgrounds that you can choose from, as you will be seeing. So just choose whatever fits your concept idea. So for me, I'm just gonna go with this one and I'm gonna leave it there. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to choose a font color that I'm going to follow. So you could choose one of these. So let's go and choose, for example, this one. This is the variant that I'm gonna go for. And here you can literally choose what's size you want your presentation to be, and just like that we have now like themes and everything ready to go for. So the font also will be chosen for you and everything is ready to go. So once I click here on the title box, I will be able to write down stuff like title, and I can here choose the colors that matches my own style. So simply here I have chosen like the color theme, which is this one. So I'm just gonna make my title big like this and just place it whatever you want, something like that. And what you will need to do is to put title, put a place for images. So you need to duplicate this and put a place for images, like put something like this here. This is like a place for images, and you need to place a place where you want the text to be, like something right over here. So once you do have all these elements, you have the size ready, you have the title and colored with the size that you want and the image place hovered, then simply now all you need to do is to ask Copilot to use this template for the content that you have. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.